because we are Yugal Upasakas. We worship Radha and Krishna together. So in their lilas, this is the best absorption. This is the most powerful thing. Read lilas, you get purified. You get parabhakti. Simply read lilas, you get parabhakti. Parabhakti coming. Then badme ridrogam kamam. Ridrogam kamam achirena vidonoti. Then automatically everything goes. Not everything goes, then you read lila. Gita is telling, Brahma Bhuta Prasanatma Nasochati Nakanshti Samasarveshu Mad Bhaktim. He says, Mad Bhakti Labate Param. First you become Brahman realized. This is Gita, 14:26. Chapter 14, verse 26. Brahma Bhuta Prasanatma Nasochati Nakanshti Samasarveshu Bhuteshi Mad Bhaktim Labate Labhyate. You can attain my bhakti after you're liberated. You have no hankering, no lamenting. You're atma, you're happy, you're blissful, prasanatma. Then you can actually attain bhakti. This is teachings of Gita. Mam chayo bicharena bhakti yogena. So bhakti yogena sevate. You're doing so much bhakti yoga, it's abhicharena, ananya bhakt. Then you transit the gunas, gunatit, and then you can become my bhakti devotee. But Shukamuni is telling in the 10th canto, chapter 33, verse 39, he says, Vikriditam brajabadu bir sakalpita. He said, if you just shradanvita, if you hear the ras lila, you hear the madhurya lila, you hear the Brajamadurya Lila of Radha and Krishna. So much pavitram, so much power, so much sweetness comes inside of you like a tusami, like huge taranga that brings so much bhakti and so much feeling, devotion for Krishna. That comes first, parabhakti labhyate. Then automatically, kam, krodh, love, everything out. Lila has such power. So the more we can connect and contact with Lila, Krishna's Lila, under ashraya of Guru, and proper sadachar. Sadachar, there must be yama niyama, not some sahajya. Proper yama niyama, yam niyam, and Guru shelter. These books are for us. Govinda Lila Amrita, Krishna Bhavana Amrita, Bhavana Sara Sangraha, Krishnaika Kumudi. These are all Leela Granths. For bhaktas, you chant